Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today I'm going to share a wonderful starter recipe. Now this is called cheesy walnuts mushroom cups. Now it's got a lovely combination of flavors and this is actually a nice bite-sized starter, and you can make this for your family dinners, get-togethers or parties. So why wait, let's get started and check it out. For this recipe, I've taken 1 cup of walnuts. Heat a pan, add the walnuts, and I'm going to slightly toast them. You don't want to toast it too much, just toast for about 3 to 4 minutes. So you can see the walnuts are toasted a bit. Turn off the stove and keep them aside. So the walnuts have cooled down. I'm going to just chop it nice and fine. So I've chopped the nuts nice and fine. So once you've chopped the nuts, keep it aside. So these are nice fresh mushrooms. Just wash them nice and clean and finely chop them. Next I'm going to make the filling. For this, to a pan, add about 3 teaspoons of oil. Once the pan is hot, add finely chopped garlic, 2 teaspoons. 1 medium-sized onion finely chopped. After sauteing the onions for about 2 minutes, I'm going to add the capsicum now. So I've taken 2 varieties, the green and the red. I'm also adding the red bell pepper. Next I'm adding a bowl of chopped mushrooms. So this is roughly about 100 grams. Now add the chopped walnuts. Walnuts are incredibly delicious and crunchy and add some much needed excitement to your daily meals and work equally well in both sweet and savory dishes. They also boast several beneficial nutrients such as plant-based omega-3 to support heart, brain and gut health. Next add half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon pepper. So if you need more seasoning, you can always add it later. So once that's mixed, now I'm going to add some Italian seasoning, about 1 teaspoon, and 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes. So if you don't want it spicy, you can cut down the red chili flakes. Just saute for about a minute. You can see this filling is coming together so beautifully, it's so colorful. Turn off the stove, remove the mixture from the pan and let it cool completely. I've grated about 175 grams of cheese here. This is mozzarella cheese. Now I'm going to season the cheese with 2 teaspoons of Italian seasoning and 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes. Now adding red chili flakes is entirely up to you. This is optional. So seasoning the cheese is going to add a lot more flavor. So now that we've seasoned the cheese, keep this aside. Take a little bit of the grated cheese and mix it into the mixture. I'm just cutting off these round discs from the bread slices. So next we're going to prepare the muffin tray. For this I've greased the tray with a generous amount of butter. So now place these bread discs into the cups. So gently just press it. So place a little bit of the filling and gently press it in. Since walnuts are a healthy and delicious addition to our regular diet, you can incorporate them into fun snacks like this. This way you get your family to have their share of walnut intake deliciously without any additional effort. So now I'm just going to add a little bit of tomato ketchup. Finally top it off with some grated cheese. So when we bake this, the cheese would have all melted. You'll get a lovely cheesy walnut mushroom cup. Preheat the oven at 180 degrees for 15 minutes. Now we're going to bake this for about 10 minutes at 180 degrees centigrade. Cheesy walnut mushroom cups are done. You can see it looks absolutely fantastic. It's got this lovely golden color to it and all the cheese is nicely melted. Release the cups from the tray and you can serve them immediately nice and warm. There you go, here are these absolutely delicious walnut mushroom cups. Now you can savor these bite-sized starters, nice and warm right out of the oven. They make for a perfect party snack. Do try the recipe, enjoy and share it with your family and friends.